Here's the setup. Today I'm just practicing with a little bit of scrap vinyl that I got from work. 2 little pieces were in the dumpster, and it's enough to do this side of the front lip. So I'm gonna show you guys me doing the other side. This other piece is a lot thinner though, so I don't know if it's actually gonna work. Wrap glove here, pack that I ended up getting from when I did the tryin class. With like a squeegee and a couple other little tools. And we've got this heat gun, and that's really all you need. I just wanted to document showing, you know, the process. It's come a long way from where I started, and see what we get out of it. Came up super short just because the material just was not thick enough. Other than that, I mean, this looks god-awful because I ended up just sending some of the stuff. I do like this side. I want to just pull it outside just to see what it looks like and then take it off. Take a look. Ooh, okay. I'm liking that. It's not the exact same silver. It's more of like a Nardo gray. I think I like the more aggressive angle on that side that I've got. Ooh. Now if I just have those done. Had to switch out the cars real quick. Wife is in, I am out. Now we gotta take this stuff off. Maybe if I find a better matching color, maybe I'll end up doing that. But I really want to end up wrapping the whole car, so I want to match it to the color I wrap it. So I'm gonna take this off, and that's it for practice today. Obviously that side came out a lot better, and that side was pretty doo-doo, but you know what, I need to look into seeing what's the best route for, you know, laying into that much of a recess. It may end up needing to be a secondary piece inlay, basically first that's knifeless out or cut out. I don't really want to cut on it, but it came up super short because the piece was just way too thin, and I even burned through material in some parts, and I ended up sending it. I was just like, nah, screw it. I just want to put it on just so I can see it all together. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off. This just goes to show, like, you know, when you're far away, like how just about any wrap could look good from afar, but up close, far from good, obviously. So I'm gonna take it off and try again another day. Hopefully I can find a material that is, you know, closer to my paint color until I end up wrapping it. So that's that. And that's that. I know you guys really didn't see much, but I did just want to kind of give a little update of the car, where it sits right now, and what I was doing. So basically, the lip's on, everything's still painted, but it's getting beat up like crazy with all the rock chips. It just, being that it's not a huge, you know, it's not a thick layer of paint that I did because I rushed so fast to get it to Kia Fest, and then I also didn't clear it. So it's completely prone to anything and everything that's going to come at it during my long commute. And that's just how it is.